guys, my name's Julianne and today I'm giving a close-up comparison of the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Plus vacuum cleaner to the Eureka PowerSpeed Pet vacuum cleaner. So these vacuum cleaners are both super awesome in their own ways. So as you can see, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet vacuum cleaner is just a little bit larger and wider in the base than the PowerSpeed. However, they both still have very powerful suctions. As you can see, this is what the brush looks like for the Bissell CleanView. So it has a triple action brush right here. So super powerful on all surfaces. And then this is the Eureka PowerSpeed Pet vacuum cleaner up close. So it doesn't have it just has the one color of bristles, so still very powerful. They both have different mode settings. So as you can see right here, you can have the bare floor, the low carpet, and right now it's on high carpet, although I do have low carpet, so let me put it back to low carpet. But they both work wonderfully on all surfaces. This also has different modes, however, they aren't labeled with the words. Instead, they just kind of have numbers. So right here, I have it on the number 2 for low carpet. So super cool and versatile. They both have very spacious dustbins. As you can see, literally have all of my dog hair in there right now. So very powerful at picking up that dog hair. And then this also has a very spacious dustbin as well with replaceable filters. The Bissell CleanView dustbin is just a little bit wider than the Eureka PowerSpeed. However, they're still very spacious. And then up here, you can see there is a little vacuum attachment for the Turbo Eraser Pet Brush for the Bissell CleanView Swivel, which is super cool. This one also has a vacuum attachment. I just don't know exactly where I put it, but they're very similar in that. So they both kind of just have the same little vacuum attachment, which is super cool, especially for upholstery. They both have capabilities to put these little upholstery attachments on here, so they both can be used in handheld positions. This one comes with an upholstery brush like this and a dust brush. And then this has that vacuum attachment as I showed you guys earlier, and it also has a very spacious tube. So to use it in the handheld position, you both can just use with the tube right here. So you literally just pull the tube out for both, and that's how you use it in handheld position. Same with the Eureka PowerSpeed. So they both have that same similar feature, and they both have a very durable cords. The Bissell CleanView cord is a little bit longer, and as you can see, I've got them both plugged in. They're both 2-prong outlets, so very versatile. And something that's really cool about the Quick CleanView swivel is whenever you get it out of its upright position by pushing this button right here, boom, you can see it literally swivels all around. So very flexible. The Eureka PowerSpeed does not swivel. However, you can still take it out of its upright position and it still works wonderfully either way. So the main difference is that this one swivels obviously and this one does not. However, they are both very powerful, and to turn both of them on, you literally just press the buttons right here. So turn it out of its upright position. So that's what the Bissell CleanView swivel sounds like. And then the Eureka PowerSpeed over here, take it out of its upright position. So they both are very similar in how you turn them on and off. However, that once again, this one swivels and then the Eureka PowerSpeed does not swivel. However, they're both relatively quiet, not too loud, and they both are very powerful on all surfaces.